dear students, greetings for the day from Madhavi Children's Academy. This is Vikas Gupta, your class 6th computer teacher. Today we are going to start our third session of chapter number 8, Introducing Python. So in the third session, we will learn today basic data types in Python and input function. So before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in a quiet place? Are you in the proper network? Have you put your stationery with you? Have you put your cell phone in landscape mode? Are you having headphones? Okay, so now let's start. Basic data types in Python. In Python, a data type represents the type of data stored in a variable. The data stored in memory can be of many types. Python has various standard data types based on the type of value. For example, a student's marks are stored as a numeric value, whereas his or her address is stored as alphanumeric characters. The basic data types used in Python are mentioned here. Int, integer. This represents integral numbers, numbers without any fractional part. There are three types of integers in Python. First one integer is int. Okay. Second one is long integers, long int. Third one is boolean, means bool. So description is here. Int means integer. It stores value in the range of this much range. Okay. Long integers supports the value that lie beyond the range of integers. And the third one is boolean. It represents logical values in the form of true and false. In boolean, 0 represents false and 1 represents true. So float represents floating point values, numbers with fractional part. The fractional part of a floating point number may be 0 as well. Example of floating point numbers are 3.14, minus 48.6, 18.0, etc. String, str. A string data type represents a string of characters enclosed within quotation marks. Okay, like this. So some examples of data types in Python are here. First one is value 15, it is integer type. Second one is 7.9, it is a float type. Third one is computer application, it is a text, so it is a string type. So fourth one is 7 is greater than 3, so it is a conditional statement, so it is a boolean type. Okay, now input function. So look at here, input function is used to accept the value for a variable from the user. To input integer or float values, we can use int or float along with the input. Okay, program number 1 you can look at here. They have given the input into the first value. So into the first value we have written here first value. Second is b is equal to input enter the second value. So we have entered the second value 300. So in Python we have to give input function takes one string arguments. This means that whatever value is being entered by the user, it will be taken as a string argument. So dear students, it is program number 2. Look at here. There it is the input. First input is enter the first value. Second input is b is assigned input second value and c is assigned a plus b. Then print c. So we have got only 200 and 300. It have joined it. It have not added the first and second number. Why? Look at here. Observe in the program. When you add the two numbers, you do not get the sum. Rather than numbers are joined together and are printed as a string. Means to say, we have to look at here in the program number 3. We have to do what? They have given input first value. They have entered 200. They have inputted second value. They have printed 300. When they have printed a multiplied by b, then they have got the error value. Okay, value error. Type value error. So in this program, when you try to multiply these two values, you get an error in the program. This is because the string values cannot be multiplied together. To work with the values provided by the user, Python provides a method as discussed in the given example. Look at here. What we have to do? We have to do what? We have to give int. Okay, we have to give int function here. Okay, and b also they have given int. Means we have observed that when we use int function, the values are converted into integers and then they are added or multiplied. Okay, you can see here in the fifth one program, they have given okay, they have given as input integer. Okay, they have given input of a and b, then a, b minus b, and a. So look at here, value of a after swapping. Okay, first one a, then it was b minus b, and then a. So value of b after swapping. So look at here, first one value was 45, so b values were 25. So when we have done swapping, so first ones we have got 25 and second ones we have got 45. So we have got the swapping here. Now sixth program, area and perimeter of a rectangle. Look at here, it is the area and perimeter. Okay, so how they have solved? Firstly they have entered the side. Okay, then they have given the perimeter, then they have given the area of the square, and then they have given here area of the square. Okay, and so look at here, they have printed the area. Okay, area and perimeter of a rectangle. They have given the formula of area, and they have given the formula of perimeter also. Okay, so here is practice time. You can solve these questions, okay, to know it better, to understand it better. Now features of print function. The print function in Python is used to print a message or value on the output device. Okay, it converts the message or an object into a string before written it on the screen. Okay, it can have multiple parameters. It supports multiple skip sequence to format the output. Example, new line, okay, /n, okay, for backward /n, okay, new line, then T, tab space, and then R carries return. Okay, so using separators with print function, using comma operator. When you use comma operator as the separator among the values are displayed with the space between them. Okay, now seventh program, look at here. When they have given three values, assigned the values a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 100, they have printed a, b, and c. So they have got, okay, using comma operator, they have got space here. Okay, look at here, using T, tab space. When you use tab space sequence as the separator among the values are displayed with the tab space between them. So you can look at here, a is assigned 10, b is assigned 20, c is assigned 100. So they have printed a, then they have given tab space b, they have tab space c. So look at here, the output, they have got 10, tab space 20, tab space 100. So now using n, new line character. A new line character in Python is used to end a line and start a new line. In Python, the new line character can be used with the input function and with the print function. N is a new line character used in Python. So you can look at the program number 9. They have given a, b, and c. They have assigned the values. Then they have printed a. Then in the new line they have given new line b, then new line c. So the all three answers you will get in the new line 10, then in the new line you get 20, in the new line you get 100. Look at here, they have given name, input, enter your name, age, input, enter your age. Okay, these two are of string type. Class, input is equal to, then they have given class, input, enter your class, it is also a string type. Now print, they have given 3 times print name, print age, print class. So look at here in the output. Okay, they have not given any separator. Okay, they have not used any tab space, line space, or new line. Okay, so look at here, enter your name, Amit Sharma, enter your age 17, enter your class 9. So they have got input on the same line, all the inputs they have got the same line. Okay, so it is the program without escape sequence. Okay, now it is the program number 11. Now in the Python script file, add an new line with the input and print function. So look at here how name, okay, input. So they have given enter your name, and they have here they have declared that you have to get the input in new line. So, okay, they have given new line tag here. Okay, and they have shown here that we have to get input and at the new line. Okay, age, input, enter your age, new line, class, input, enter your class, new line. So then when they have printed all of these things, so they have got the input, the line for input on the new line. Okay, so this is the program with escape sequence. So in the above output window, in order to give a better understanding, the text and the values are placed one after another. So dear students, this is the recap of the chapter. So you have to read this. So pause the video and read this recap. So dear students, I hope you have read all these recap points. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter number 8. So the homework is you have to complete question number A, B, C and D in your book, page number 85 and 86. Question number E answers you will do in the notebook. One note is here, you have 2 weeks to complete the all work. Okay, so all the solutions you will get along with this video. So I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.